So today, wiring. Okay, so I've just built this box. That's at the back of the van. That's where this is going to go, the control panel. It sort of wedges in there, screw it all in. So what I need to do is these lights. I need to reroute all the wiring under the roof lining. I need it to come down the back of that cabinet, so all the wiring goes into there for that. This is all sort of pre-wired, so all I need to do is get a live really off the lights going into one of these switches, and then you've got like a main live and earth that comes out the back of here somewhere, them two. So I need to get them to the leisure battery. I was gonna stick a fuse box in, but because these are all preloaded with fuses, I don't think I really need to. So all I need to do is get that earth going back to the leisure battery, this live going back to the leisure battery, and what I might do is stick a inline fuse on. So that's the way I'm going to go. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I just don't really see the need of a fuse box if I've got all that there. So all I'm basically going to be running, apart from these which are powered off that main live, is going to be at the minute just a light switch for the LED lights, and probably eventually another light like an LED strip underneath of that. So okay, so control panels in, all wired up. At the minute I've got the main switch, which is the first one, and I've also fitted an LED light, bit of a rave going on for the worktop. This has got the remote control, so you can change the colours and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The sensor's up there in the edge of there. Just got to tidy that little bit of wiring up. The wiring for the ceiling all comes down in this corner. Just need to cover that up a little bit, but yeah, it's all good. So I've only got these two switches wired up at the minute. These three are doing nothing as a spare, so I've got my USB socket. Van needs a good run, give the battery a charge. Also got the cigarette socket, which will power my fridge, so that's all working. The fridge I normally have tied to the backs of the chair there, but yeah, the only other thing I'd really want to do, if anybody could give me a bit of advice, is these lights which are wired into that. I want to stick another switch over that side, so when I open the side door I can turn the lights on there as well, instead of just clambering over and trying to fiddle for that in the dark. But yeah, if anybody could let me know about that. Yeah, next jobs to do is probably stick a couple of cupboard doors on there, side window, and put a new bit of plyboard in on the bottom bit there and carpet it. Yeah, side window, and that's about it really. I think we're pretty much there. Just little jobs like gluing this little bit down. To show you my toilet, even got a toilet in there. So I've carpeted this little bit around there. I was going to put some beams across the bottom there just to give this a bit more stability, but I wouldn't be able to fit that toilet in. So that toilet sits just in front of the leisure battery, which is behind there. So I've got my eco roll toilet roll. So there's still plenty of storage under there. Get crates and stuff under there, which is pretty good in the pull-out bed. So that's the bed without the covers on. One little thing I was looking at was somebody had a pull-out sink, so it was like just a little piece of wood with a hole in it, you know, obviously carpeted. You lift it up on hinges, pull these two bits out, and you can put like a collapsible plastic sink in there. So I thought that was a pretty good idea, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to fit a cooker and a sink in there yet, or, you know, not quite decided. But let's close the door, getting windy. But yeah, as of now we're looking pretty good. Not a lot else to do really, so hope you've enjoyed the videos. Give the video a like, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Job done.